guys, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Maureen. This is Mo Does DIYs, and I do farmhouse and boho style DIYs. So if you like that, I welcome you to subscribe. So today's video is going to be a bunch of DIY end tables. So farmhouse, and we just found out we're having a girl, so I need an end table for her bedroom. Yeah, so let's get started. This is the inspiration for my first one. So I started by Googling round wire baskets near me, and I found this awesome one for $28 from Lowe's. I love it. As you can see, there's so many baskets. I was kind of shocked by this. I'm also going to be using things from the Dollar Tree as well. But look, this one, $108. No thank you. I'm going to make mine for like $30 or less. Plus the Dollar Tree ones, which are like $5 or less. Okay, so I'll spare you the footage of them cutting the wood and me purchasing this from Lowe's, but I will link this in the description below, this exact basket. Now, I chose this in square because this is going in my daughter's room and I need it to be really functional. I need it to be able to hold a lamp, and I'll explain more later on, but you could get yours cut circular at your local craft store, no big deal. Then, starting it up, I used my flat black by Rust-Oleum and gave it a really good coat of paint. Then for my board, I just took some old white spray paint and kind of using it as a primer, and I gave it kind of a light coat just so that my paint will go over it very easily. Then using my trellis gray by Art Minds, I just gave this one really good coat because I'm going to be turning this into a farmhouse looking piece. Very rustic farmhouse, and just really, it's going to look really great in her room. I cannot wait to show you the end result in November. I will have her room completely done by November. Oh my gosh, I seriously can't wait. So taking my espresso by Art Minds, once this board was pretty much dry, I just kind of went around the edge and did a really dry brush method to give it a, farmhouse look. And then I used pewter by Art Minds, which is a dark gray. And then I also finished it up with a little bit of white, and just giving this a really farmhouse, worn out, rustic look, just like the piece in that display looked. And see, isn't this cute? I freaking love this. This is going to go great in her room. I can't even wait to show you. Once it was dry, there you go. She was done. And I absolutely love this. This is going to be so sharp in the corner in her bedroom. It's going to be perfect with a little lamp and perfect for my little breastfeeding station. But what I love about this is, see, you can also use it for storage, which I'll be using for her pillows and her little plushies. And then as she gets older, I will probably use it for her baby dolls. And then when I'm sick of using it as an end table, I'll just put the little insert back in and use it as a hamper. So this is multifunctional and I love it, and it cost me literally $30. So I was so excited to share this today. All right, moving on to this end table idea. This is super easy, all Dollar Tree products, a pizza pan, 2 baskets, and literally some flat black spray paint and some hot glue, and that's all you need. But I just kind of want to show that you could also use these little burner covers from the Dollar Tree. And it wouldn't hang over as much, but it would be a completely flat surface. So if you wanted to use that, that's another alternative. And so I took it outside, gave it 2 really good coats of spray paint, and let it dry completely. No joke, I must have looked like a crackhead outside on my crazy lawn in my boxers, literally, but I didn't care. I was just like, you know what, I'm having fun. That's what life's all about. So after everything was dry completely, I literally just hot glued it all together. It was so simple, so fun, but I love this end table. This one's small and just really delicate, but it actually works. So I was really excited to share this. Before moving on to another idea, I just want to kind of admire this a little bit. I love the holes and the spaces in this, and it kind of gives me a very beachy vibe. So I'm really loving this. So this next idea I want to share, really easy. You can find these tables at Five Below. $5. You can find these chargers, beautiful chargers, at your Dollar Tree, and they're absolutely stunning. And all I did was hot glue that onto the top, and it just gives it a really farmhouse look. And if you really wanted to, you could take the little ends off that are black and spray paint those whatever color. You could also spray paint the whole table whatever color. I love these. These are my 3 favorite end tables, and I just couldn't wait to share them. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, then make sure you smash that like button for me. Alright, I'm gonna finally be quiet. Something I'm not very good at. No, it's just, I love DIYs. I love being a homemaker. This is my passion. I love home decor so much. And the past 15 years of my life being a homemaker in this home has been pretty incredible and something I've always dreamed of as a child. So I really love being able to share DIYs now. Now I'm new at DIYs, so I'm not the best, but you know what? I'm learning and I'm having fun while I'm learning. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.